Trade recap on the day. It is April 17th, and we got TP. So let's get into it. All right, I don't know what the fuck that was, but anyways, okay. So coming into the day, going on the daily time frame, we were at very close at all-time highs. Very, 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 very close at all-time highs. Why would I be shorting? Obviously, you're not shorting. If you are shorting, I have a mentorship down below. So coming into the day, so we were at very close to all-time highs. Honestly, I did have the idea that it is very possible we come lower tapping inside of this fair value gap on the hourly, then have that push to all-time highs. Very, very possible. That was an option in mind. But overall, bro, we're respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish gaps. We are in an uptrend. Then we rejected right off of this 15-minute. We were at EQ of the range. Honestly, absolutely beautiful. Also on the hourly, we also tapped into EQ, which was right here. We tapped into EQ. So very, very nice as well. There is no reason for us to be shorting today. No reason. Respected this 15-minute fair value gap. Very nice. We literally tapped EQ of the fair value gap. Absolutely amazing. Now we looked for our inversion. So I was honestly looking to take this 1 minute inversion right over here and go break even the second we tap into these 5 minutes stacked for value gaps. But I would have got stopped at a break even. So either way, whether I entered or not, I would have got stopped at a break even. Because honestly, you should be going break even, especially if you're coming into a higher time for inversion for value gap. Anyways, so we had this inversion right here. It took the entry right over here, as you can see. Stop loss went right at these lows, targeted straight for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. I'll be honest, at the beginning, my stop loss was at these lows, but the second we put in this low, I saw it as a protected low. So stop loss went down there and targeted straight for a 1-to-1. Now, yes, the second we got close to here, I ended up just taking out the trade. I was initially targeting for all-time highs, but bro, I was looking at the 1 minute and we pretty much just broke the trend line going higher. So I was like, yo, I'm not falling for a trap where we just make relative equals. We're probably still gonna top it. Not surprised, but bro, I'm not risking like $20 to make an extra $20. That's just stupid. So ended up just getting out. Honestly, very nice. What I also really liked, because we were in some drawdown for quite a long time, because this is a 40-minute trade. 45-minute trade. Bro, absolutely diabolical. But what I really did like is we created this 5-minute inversion. We tapped into EQ of the range on top of it. And let's see, did we have an inversion? We had a 30-second actually. We had a 30-second. So that could have been also a re-entry or adding on extra contracts. But bro, that is the trade. That is the profit. I'm not complaining, bro. I made money. It's Friday. I'm gonna go enjoy my steak for the weekend. And bro, like, look at this price action, bro. Anyways, I have a link down below. There's some funded accounts that are having some pretty big deals, so go check it out down below. If you want to join my course, I was live trading this in my Discord. This is just diabolical price action. Anyways, if you need one-on-one help, I have a link down below. Go check it out. Prices will be increasing pretty soon because I am adding a lot of information there. So leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you ended up taking this trade or if I was just the only person. Probably the only person. But yeah, have a beautiful rest of your day and enjoy your weekend, guys. Peace.